In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Etsy is an online marketplace where you can buy unique, handmade, and custom products from sellers around the world. Now, if you want to buy something on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by opening Etsy. Go to the Etsy website using your browser or download the Etsy app from the Play Store or App Store. Then log in to your account. Next, search for a product. Use the search bar at the top to type what you're looking for, then browse through the results and click on a product you like. After that, check the product details carefully, look at the photos, read the description, check customer reviews, and review the shipping time to make sure everything matches your expectations. Now, select your options. Choose things like size, color, or any customization if required. Then, add the item to your cart. Click on Add to Cart, and once you're ready, proceed to checkout. Next, enter your shipping details and choose your payment method. Review your order carefully, then confirm your purchase. That's it. Buying on Etsy is simple, and by checking reviews and product details carefully, you can shop safely and confidently.